Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix 8 ball too many attempts. Try again later. To know how to fix or how to solve too many attempts, try again later, you should just go to settings. Then you will click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to 8 ball. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about 8ball. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.